Hi guys, my name is Trevor and today I'll be reviewing this airplane, the city airplane right here. So the first thing I'll be showing you is the minifigures that I will be using. So the first minifigure is this guy. He's a rock star. He did not come with this set. He's from Ninjago. And these two people are from city sets that I don't have, that I just found at a yard sale. So the first thing you do is, and I'm waiting for, okay, so the first thing you do is take off the cover piece right here, and you can also open the hatch back here, and you can put like minifigures back there, and shut that, and there's a person there. You can also put luggage. There's a coffee cup in there. And also there's a steering wheel and all the other stuff. You could put someone in the driving seat. Exactly right there, and put the hood back on. And you can also spin the propellers. There's these two red and green lights on each side. You can also spin this propeller. And it's a waterplane. I think this is a yard sale haul. And hopefully, I had all the pieces and everything. So, guys, please like, subscribe, and please comment down below. And I will go now.